Hello, Paul here again from EMD Automotive. Today we just finished fitting the PDCC pump for this car here, Porsche Cayenne. We ran it with new fluids as well, but we're going to flush it. We're going to run the car first, and then we're going to use the active sway bar test to move the car left to right using computer later on when we finish. And then we're going to flush it again, clean it, and then we'll put back the right amount of fluid inside the car to double check it. This is a tandem pump, meaning this is there's two pumps inside in one. So one is for the sway bar and one is for the actual power steering. The sway bar was working, but the power steering wasn't working before. That's why it was really hard to turn the steering wheel. But now we're going to start. I'm going to start it up, and I'm going to show you. This is the tool reservoir. All right. So I'm going to start it up and show the steering wheel, because before we couldn't turn the steering wheel. Now it's very soft right now. Alright, look at that. Very soft. Whew. Before we could not even turn the steering wheel on this car. Have a look at the actual tire with one finger. So before we couldn't turn it, now we can turn it. We're gonna, as I said before, we're going to run it, and then we're gonna put up in the air on the hoist, drain everything, put new fluid, and then we'll, because this one's really dirty from before, so we're gonna run new fluid and go from there. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.